Let's start with Module 3. Administer Azure Resources. Name at least 3 tools an administrator can use to create and manage Azure resources.
Azure Portal, Azure CLI, Azure PowerShell, and Azure Templates.
What is an Azure Resource Group and what are some basic rules when creating resource groups?
A resource group is a container of related resources for an Azure solution. Resources can exist in only one resource group. Groups can have resources of many different types, services, and from many different regions. Groups cannot be nested. Not all resources can be moved between groups. It is best practice to add resources to the group that share the same lifecycle.
What are Azure Resource Manager templates and what are the advantages of using them?
Templates are a programmatic way to define your infrastructure with code. Templates let you create and deploy resources in a consistent manner. Templates improve accuracy and reduce manual errors. Templates can be reused and simplify administration. Templates have a defined schema and uses a declarative syntax.
Describe the Azure Cloud Shell and the 2 programming languages it supports.
The Azure Cloud Shell Interactive, browser-accessible shell. The shell offers coding in either Azure CLI or Azure PowerShell. The shell is temporary and provided on a per session, per user basis. The shell requires a resource group, storage account, and Azure file share. When you use the shell, it authenticates automatically and times out after 20 minutes.
What are resource limits, quotas, and why are they important?
Resource quotas define the number of resources a user subscription can provision or consume. For example, how many resource groups a subscription can have. It is important to monitor your usage to avoid running up against the limits. Some services have adjustable limits. If you want to raise the limit or quota above the default limit, open an online customer support request at no charge. The limit can be raised above the default limit, but not above the maximum limit. It is helpful to track current usage and plan for future use.
Well done.
Thank you.